Hey, welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the beauty world to give you the most honest, expert reviews. Today, I'm sharing my thoughts on the Oral-B Genius X Limited Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush in sleek, midnight black. This toothbrush is packed with features that claim to elevate your brushing experience, and we're going to break it down to see if it really delivers. First off, let's talk about the basics. The Oral-B Genius X Limited comes with a high-tech approach to oral care. It promises superior plaque removal, up to 100% more than your regular manual toothbrush. But how does it actually stack up against that claim? Let's get into it. Real-world testing and usage experience. I've been using this toothbrush for a few weeks now, and it has honestly been a game changer. One of the coolest features? The personalized coaching. The Genius X uses artificial intelligence to coach you on how to brush better. It guides you on the areas you may be missing, making sure you cover all the spots evenly with the right amount of pressure and time. It's like having a dentist in your bathroom. The Bluetooth connectivity is also a standout. You can connect the toothbrush to the Oral-B app on your smartphone. While I'm not one to jump into every app on the market, the connectivity is actually useful because it tracks your brushing habits and gives you insights on where you might need improvement. The brush head itself feels soft yet effective. It's gentle on your gums, but really does a good job of scrubbing away plaque. I also appreciate the travel case included, which makes it easy to take the brush on the go without worrying about the battery life running out during a trip. Pros and cons. Pros: superior plaque removal. This is by far the most significant plus. After using it, my teeth feel cleaner, and my dentist even noticed less plaque buildup at my last visit. Smart coaching and AE. This is super helpful for maintaining proper brushing habits. App connectivity. Tracks your brushing and gives personalized tips. Sleek design. The midnight black version looks super modern and high-end, adding a touch of luxury to my bathroom counter. Travel case included. Great for when you need to take your toothbrush on the go. Cons? Price. It is on the pricier side, especially when compared to other electric toothbrushes. If you're someone who's used to a manual brush or a budget electric toothbrush, this might seem a bit extravagant. Learning curve with the app. While the app is useful, it took me a bit to figure out how to use it to its full potential. So be prepared for a slight learning curve. Battery life. While it's decent, it's not as long-lasting as some might expect for a toothbrush at this price point. I've had to recharge it more often than anticipated. Value for money. At 20 yen, it's definitely an investment. While you are paying for cutting-edge technology like AI-driven coaching and Bluetooth connectivity, the price could be considered a bit high when compared to other electric toothbrushes that offer basic functionality. However, if you're someone who values personalized brushing advice and having a smart oral care routine, it's worth considering. For those just looking for a simple brush with no frills, there are definitely cheaper alternatives that will still get the job done. Build quality and longevity. In terms of build quality, this toothbrush feels premium. The handle is sleek, the brush head fits securely, and the charging dock is solid. Oral-B's reputation for quality is well earned, and this toothbrush feels built to last. Customer support. Although I didn't need to contact customer service directly, Oral-B is known for its reliable customer service and support. Their website is comprehensive, and the app provides all the troubleshooting tips you might need, so I'm confident they'd handle any issues with ease. Product alternatives. If you're on the fence about the price, there are definitely more affordable options out there. For example, the Philips Sonicare Protective Clean offers great plaque removal and a much lower price point. While it doesn't come with AI coaching or Bluetooth connectivity, it still provides excellent cleaning performance for a fraction of the price. To sum it up, the Oral-B Genius X Limited is a fantastic toothbrush if you're looking for a smart, tech-driven experience with solid plaque removal and excellent brushing guidance. It's well-suited for anyone who values the latest in oral care technology and is willing to invest in their dental health. That being said, it may not be necessary for everyone, especially if you're more of a set it and forget it kind of person when it comes to brushing. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this toothbrush, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Do you agree with my take, or have you had a different experience? Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.